Hello and welcome back to Mr. Grammio English, the podcast that helps you learn English the smart way, not the hard way.
That's right, Emma. And today we've got a topic that is, it's a game changer for so many learners. We're talking about how to stop translating in your head.
The constant mental translation. It's so exhausting. But we have a secret weapon for you today.
We do. It's a simple 2-minute daily method that will literally rewire your brain to start thinking in English. Stick around. Okay, so let's get right into it. The biggest hurdle for, I'd say, most intermediate learners is that they're still thinking in their native language and then translating word for word into English.
Right, Ryan. It's like you have the thought in, say, Spanish or Japanese, and then your brain acts like a little translator machine before you can even speak.
Exactly. And what happens? You're slow, you sound unnatural, and you're always one step behind in the conversation.
Totally. You miss the jokes, you can't keep up with fast talkers. It's just frustrating. So the big question is, how do you break that habit? How do you switch your brain's, default setting to English?
And the answer is surprisingly simple. You don't need to, move to an English-speaking country or study for 8 hours a day. You just need 2 minutes every day. We call it mundane narration.
Mundane narration. I like it. So what is it? How does it work?
Okay, step 1. You pick a really, really simple everyday task. Something you do without thinking, like making your morning coffee.
Or brushing your teeth.
Brushing your teeth, perfect. Or washing the dishes. Something you do on autopilot.
Okay, got it. So I've picked my task, making coffee.
Step 2. For 2 minutes, you are going to narrate every single tiny action you take, but silently, inside your own head, like a sports commentator for your own life.
Okay, so okay, I am walking to the kitchen, I am opening the cupboard, I am taking out the coffee thingy.
Exactly, the coffee thingy. And that's a brilliant point, Emma. What if you don't know a word?
Yeah, what's that scooper called? Or the filter paper?
It absolutely does not matter. Seriously, the goal isn't perfect vocabulary. You can say, I'm putting the brown powder in the paper thing with the metal scooper. The point is to keep the flow of thought in English.
I see. So you're not stopping to look up words, you're just describing what you see and do, using the English you already have.
You're forcing your brain to stay in English mode, even if it's simple or clumsy English. That's the secret. That's it. It's a workout for your brain. And like any workout, consistency is, it's everything.
Right. 2 minutes sounds like nothing, but if you do it every single day, that's over an hour of pure English thinking time per month that you didn't have before.
An hour of focused practice, and it's so low effort, there's no excuse not to do it. You're already making the coffee anyway.
That's true. So a tip from me would be maybe stick with one task for a week to get comfortable. Narrate making your coffee every day for a week.
Good one.
Then the next week, switch it up. Narrate your commute or feeding your cat, just to, expose yourself to different vocabulary sets.
Totally. And you'll be surprised. You'll start by saying the cat food can, and then one day you'll be on the bus and the word tin will just pop into your head because your brain is now actively looking for these English words in your daily life.
It becomes an active process instead of a passive one. You start noticing the world in English.
Exactly. The goal is to make it so automatic that you don't even realize you're doing it anymore. It's just how you think about making coffee.
So there you have it, the 2-minute mundane narration method. It's so simple, but honestly, so powerful.
It really is. For the next 7 days, pick one simple task and narrate it in your head for 2 minutes.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just do it. And then find us on social media and tell us how it felt. We're at Mr. Grammio English.
We would love to hear from you. That's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in.